Hi guys, Jaleesa here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a flexi rod set in my hair, and I am actually going to be trying to follow a NAE2CURLY tutorial. If you guys don't know who she is, I will put her information down below, but she is like the master. She's like the guru. She is like, I don't know, she's just, every time she does a flexi rod set and a perm rod set, it's always like so perfect. And I have only done a perfect perm rod set, I think maybe 1 or 2 times in my life. A flexi rod set maybe 1 or 2 times in my life. But I'm going to try to follow her tutorial today to try to do a perfect perm rod set, not perm rod set, flexi rod set. I'm going to follow her flexi rod set tutorial to try to get a perfect flexi rod set today. Alright, so in the video she has like these different color flexi rod sets, and she also is using this Cream of Nature Argan Oil Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. So this product right here. So she also in the video is washing her hair, deep conditioning it, and she also showed like her blowout process, how she blew out her hair. I'm not showing you guys that today because, listen, we're just focusing on the flexi rod set, trying to get that right. I don't need help in the blowout department, at least I don't think so. So let's skip. So she's showing her flexi rods right now, the different color ones. She used 24 flexi rods. So let's see, I have purple flexi rods from the Main Choice. I ordered them off of their website one Christmas holiday. They were on sale for like $3. It was 10 a pack, so I just picked up about 5 packs. So yeah, I have a ton. This is not all that I have, so I'm gonna grab more. Alright, so I have my 24 flexi rods, and let's just go ahead and try to get started with this process. Alright, so I have used this style and foam before for my flexi rods and perm rod sets, and I must say I do really love it. It does a good job of providing that hold and that shine that you want in your hair when you do these sets. So she's using this on her hair, and I'm just going to go ahead and part off, I guess, my back section because that's what she did. Okay guys, hopefully my hair stays up like this. So yeah, let me go ahead and get a section over here. I hope this isn't too small of a section. Sometimes I'm afraid to work in big sections with flexi rods. I don't know, like, because I guess I'm afraid sometimes that it's not going to dry all the way. But I think this is a pretty good size section. Usually I part my hair in like 4 sections and work through it that way. But she's just parting, I guess, in rows. And I've never done that before, so I feel like it has the potential to be like a good thing, because a lot of times when I do my sets, my hair is not, it's so uniform and parted. It doesn't work out the way I want it to when I get ready to add volume. So I think that does has a part in, you know, when you're trying to get volume with your styles. So let's see what I can do. So alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this. It's a really like consistent product. You don't have to worry about it running or anything like that. So I'm just spraying it in my hands and applying it. You don't want to put too much. That's what she said in the video. You don't want to put too much because you don't want your hair soaking wet. I hope I did not put too much just now. I'm gonna brush this product through. And she also said in the video to add gel to the ends because that's the part you want to be really smooth. So if you feel like you need to add gel, definitely add gel. And I think I'm going to go ahead and add some gel to my ends because I want this to turn out really good. I don't want to have frizzy ends. So the gel that I'm going to be using is this Eco Styler Black Castor Flaxseed Oil Gel. Alright, so she put the rod at the very end, and I have gel on just want to wrap it around and secure it. Nope. Okay, start over. So start at the end and then make sure your ends are secure. So that's what she did.
Really spacing it out as well. You can see that. That's why I like the bit right, nice and bright.
Okay, so then she is winding. How is she doing this that fast? I don't feel like mine looks like hers. Wait a minute. Hers is like twisted. Okay, let me watch again. Mine is not doing that. Mine is like laying flat. Why? How is mine laying flat but hers isn't? Because I think that makes a difference. Okay. Okay, let's stop this tutorial. Oh, I feel like this is gonna be a fail. Okay, I really want this to be done today. I have somewhere to be later. So, let's see. Okay, so secure the end. Then she took, okay, let me go back. I think I got it. Okay, so as she's twisting the hair up, see? It's hard, like, actually trying to watch a tutorial and then do it. Okay, I think I got it, guys. So it's up the flexi rod. She said to put space in between as you are twisting it up. So all I'm going to do is just close this flexi rod down. Okay, that's one. Y'all pray for me as I work through this. So, let's try to do 2 more in the back. I don't know how many she has in the back. She didn't show that, but I'm gonna do 2 in the back. So let's see if this is a lot easier. Okay, so another flexi rod. So I am securing the end and then taking my rod and twisting it upward. Guys, I think I got it. I have never done a flexi rod set like this before. Ever. I usually start like at the top of the flexi rod and wrap down that way. I have never done it like this while I'm starting at the bottom and wrapping up. So fingers crossed that this actually works. guys, so I am all done. I am actually going to sit under a hair dryer for about 2 hours, maybe longer. I want to make sure that this is completely dry because like I said, I am going out later because it's the morning time. I'm filming this video. I'm going out later. This better be dry. I ended up using 23 Flexi rods and I have, of course, one left because I started off with 24. Easy math. But I'm going to go ahead and get my hair dry, and when I come back, I'm going to go ahead and undo these Flexi rods, and hopefully it turns out like NAE's Flexi rod set because, yo, I can't afford to have a hair fill. If I do have a hair fill, we'll see what happens. We'll see. I'll make it work. I always do. But I will see you guys in a little bit. And I'm just going to unwind. Wait, this way. Are you dry? Okay. Are you dry? Okay, okay. It's looking a little dry.
My hair is dry.
Alright guys, so these are my final results after following NAE's tutorial. What do you guys think? I really like my results. They may not look exactly like hers, but I like what I got. After picking it with my my big comb and volumizing it a little bit, I'm really, really happy. I don't think my Flexi rod set has ever looked this good. It's a little frizzy. It's a little bit more frizzy than I would like. And I really feel like my ends need to be clipped because the ends of my hair are like super duper frizzy. Right now, looking at some of the frizzy ends, I just want to go in with some scissors and just cut, but I'm not going to do that. But yeah, guys, these are my results. Let me know if you like my hair down in the comment section, and definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. But I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.